Philosophy of human person is also known as philosophical anthropology. So what is philosophical anthropology? We will define that later. So, but first we must know that it's not the same as social anthropology, which is often loosely called anthropology, or it's also not the same as biological anthropology or cultural anthropology. So we will know the difference between each of the terms. So first, what do we mean by philosophical anthropology? We have already discussed it in the previous videos what philosophy is. You can watch the short videos about it. So what is anthropology? The word anthropology comes from the Greek words anthropos, which means human, anthro, and logos, which means science. So anthropology is the scientific study of humanity concerned with human behavior, human biology, cultures, societies, and linguistics in both the present and past, including past human species. So those are the subjects tackled in anthropology. While social anthropology, it is a study of human beings from an ethnic perspective. So it deals with the variations in social customs and practices from one ethnic group to another. A social anthropologist would ask, such as, what is the origin of a certain tribal practice? Are there other tribes that exhibit the same customs? So it's different from philosophy of the human person or philosophical anthropology. How about biological anthropology? So from the word itself, so we already know what is anthropology. Biological anthropology, on the other hand, is a scientific discipline concerned with the biological and behavioral aspects of human beings. So the biology of humans, that is the focus. So it includes the study of human evolution, human evolutionary biology, so how did we come about, population genetics, the genes, our nearest biological relatives like the chimpanzee, classification of ancient hominids, paleontology of humans, distribution of human alleles, blood types, and the Human Genome Project. So the focus is the biology, the physical biology of the human being. While cultural anthropology, it is concerned with the study of human societies and cultures and their development. So from the word itself, cultural anthropology, it also studies human beings, but focus on the society and cultures. It is often based on ethnography, a kind of writing used throughout anthropology to present data on a particular people or folk, often based on participant observation research. So ethnology involves the systematic comparison of different cultures. Cultural anthropology is also called socio-cultural anthropology or social anthropology. Philosophical anthropology instead would ask questions about human being regardless of his or her race or social background. Again, philosophy of human person is also known as philosophical anthropology. But it's not the same as social anthropology, biological anthropology, or cultural anthropology, as we've discussed.